Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your credit card for UPI payments in PhonePe. First, make sure you have the PhonePe application downloaded and installed on your smartphone. Then, complete the registration or sign-in process using your mobile number. It is important that this mobile number is the same one registered with your RuPay credit card for a smooth linking experience. Once you are logged in, head over to the My Money or Payment Methods section within the PhonePe app. Look for the option to Add Credit Card or specifically link RuPay credit card. You will then need to select your credit card's issuing bank from the list. After that, enter the last 6 digits and the expiry date of your RuPay card. Finally, verify your card by entering the one-time password received on your registered mobile number. After successfully linking your card, you will be prompted to set a secure UPI PIN, which can be 4 or 6 digits. This PIN is crucial for authorizing your transactions. To make a payment, simply scan a merchant's QR code or enter their UPI ID. When prompted, select your newly linked RuPay credit card as your preferred payment method. Enter the desired payment amount, then confirm the transaction using your UPI PIN. It is important to remember that currently, only RuPay credit cards can be directly linked for UPI payments on PhonePe. For transactions exceeding 2,000 rupees, merchants might incur a small charge, though customers typically do not pay extra. Daily transaction limits usually stand at 1 lakh rupees, but always check your bank's specific limits. Lastly, always monitor your credit card statements to ensure responsible usage and avoid overspending.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.